Are you tired of lag, low FPS, or poor visuals holding you back in Fortnite? Whether you're aiming for smoother gameplay or the ultimate competitive edge, optimizing your settings can make all the difference. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to fine-tune your game for peak performance no matter your PC specs. So if you are new here, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's dive in. To get started, open the Run dialog box by either typing %local app data % directly into the search bar, or by first opening the Run program and entering the same command there. Once the folder appears, press the F key on your keyboard to quickly locate the Fortnite game folder. Navigate into it and follow this path. Save config, Windows client. When you arrive at the Windows client directory, locate the file related to game settings. Right-click on it and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, ensure the Read-Only checkbox is not selected. If it is, uncheck it. Otherwise, you won't be able to modify any settings within the file. After making these adjustments, you're good to go. To optimize your Fortnite experience, start by disabling motion blur by setting it to false for clearer visuals during movement. The showgrass command is outdated and no longer functions in the current version, so there's no need to adjust it. GPU crash debugging, a monitoring overlay, is only necessary for troubleshooting and can be ignored unless you're debugging. For latency settings, set the first option to true and the second to 1 for a balanced configuration. If you're looking for a more aggressive performance tweak, set it to 2 or false to completely disable it. Play around with these settings to determine what gives you the best results for your system. As for DLSS, I recommend disabling it since I use NVIDIA, and I personally disregard AMD-related commands. Both ray tracing and nanite features should be turned off to improve performance, with all other quality settings also set to false to ensure maximum frame rates. Regarding energy saving modes, set both to false. The display gamma setting, which controls brightness, is best left at the default value, though you can adjust it based on your preference for visibility. As confirmed by Epic Games, the disable mouse acceleration setting does not affect Windows PCs, so whether it's set to true or false, it has no impact on performance. Next, enable low latency input by setting it to true to reduce input delay, and make sure VSync is set to false to avoid any additional input lag. For resolution settings, I use a 1920p monitor, so that's the resolution I use. If you're using a lower tier PC or prefer stretched resolutions, feel free to adjust the resolution accordingly for better performance. To enable full screen mode, set the value to false. Setting it to true will enable windowed full screen, while 2 switches to windowed mode. For audio quality, I suggest setting it to high mode true, unless you're using an older PC, in which case lowering it might improve FPS. In the scalability groups section, keep the 3D resolution at 100% for the best visual quality. If you're looking to boost FPS, you can lower it, but be aware that it will make visuals more pixelated. For view distance, set it to false to maximize FPS, though for all remaining settings, set them to false to focus on performance. For the rendering mode, I personally use performance mode, but you can opt for DirectX 11 or DirectX 12 depending on your system's capabilities. Once all settings are configured, don't forget to save your changes by going to the File menu and clicking Save. To prevent Fortnite from altering your settings, set the Game User Settings file to read-only by right-clicking it, selecting Properties, and ticking the Read-Only box. Keep in mind that with this setting, you won't be able to modify settings in-game until you uncheck this option. Lastly, apply and click OK to finalize everything. These tweaks should ensure that your system is running Fortnite at peak performance. To take your Fortnite gameplay to the next level, start by downloading the Fortnite Optimization Pack from my official website. Link is in description. This comprehensive pack is tailored to help you get the best performance from your PC while gaming. Once you've successfully downloaded it, locate the 2 folders inside. The first folder, labeled Windows Tweaks, contains essential registry files designed to enhance your system's performance. Open this folder and carefully install all the registry files on your PC. These tweaks are programmed to prioritize Fortnite and allocate more system resources toward ensuring the game runs smoothly with minimal lag or frame drops. After completing the registry tweaks, proceed to the Tools folder. Inside, you'll find the Ultimate Windows Tweaker, a versatile tool that allows you to fine-tune various aspects of your Windows operating system. Run this application on your PC and head to the Performance tab. This section includes a variety of adjustments specifically designed to enhance speed and reduce unnecessary background activity. Follow my recommended settings to maximize your system's potential. Begin by disabling programs that launch automatically when you start your PC, as these can consume valuable resources. Next, enable automatic recovery from application errors to minimize disruptions during gameplay. Turn off features such as smooth scrolling and edge preloading, which are visually appealing but drain your CPU and RAM. By removing these extra visual effects and processes, you'll free up more power for Fortnite. In addition to these tweaks, disable certain Windows services that are rarely needed for gaming. For instance, you can turn off the Tablet Input service, which is only relevant for touchscreen devices, and the Windows Security Center service, which can occasionally interfere with performance. Disabling the Prefetch service is particularly important. This service manages temporary data, which can slow down your PC if left enabled. By turning it off, your system will run more efficiently, allowing Fortnite to operate at peak performance. Once you've optimized the performance settings, move on to the Additional tab and select the Network Tweaks option. This section contains crucial adjustments to enhance your network connectivity. Start by enabling your network adapter's onboard processor, which can handle network traffic more efficiently. Restrict access to anonymous connections and disable features such as recent shares and admin disk driver shares, which are unnecessary for gaming and may slow down your network. Also, configure your network settings to remain hidden from discovery and browser lists. These changes help streamline your connection, reduce latency, and create a smoother online gaming experience. Once you've made all these changes, click the Apply Tweaks button to save your new network settings. When you finish configuring both performance and network settings, close the Ultimate Windows Tweaker tool. You'll be prompted to restart your PC, which is a crucial step to ensure all changes are fully applied. Restarting allows your system to recalibrate with the new settings, paving the way for improved responsiveness and performance. To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link after downloading. Install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. Next, it's time to optimize your paging file, which acts as virtual memory and can significantly improve your system's performance. To begin, search for Advanced System Settings in the Start menu and select it from the results. Once the System Properties window opens, navigate to the Performance section and click on the Settings button. This will open the Performance Options window. Under the Advanced tab, locate the Virtual Memory section and click the Change button. In the virtual memory settings, ensure the checkbox labeled Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives is checked. This option allows Windows to manage the paging file size automatically, optimizing memory usage for your system. After making this adjustment, click OK to save the changes and restart your computer for them to take effect. By letting Windows efficiently manage virtual memory, your system can handle memory resources more effectively, leading to improved overall performance, especially when running memory-intensive applications like Fortnite. So, guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Peace out.